welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to download any video on TikTok without saving. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, click on the TikTok app and you can see here, click on this arrow and save video. If you are not doing this, then you have to copy link of this video and paste it on another side. If still you can't do this, then click on this icon and save it in your favorite. Then this video will appear here in your favorites. In this way you can save that video. You can see here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.